Today we're doing something on a whim, meaning that I've done a couple of videos about sample beauty pigments, and I feel I didn't give this one a fair chance because I was too scared of it, and I still am. However, it's time to beat that. Thing is, I've been wanting to try it. So today I'm going to try and do a look with silver. So first of all, I think I'm actually going to do a swatch. I'm going to drop just a little drop of Tourmaline on this palette, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of pigment. Never mind. Anyway, we'll just leave that there, and we're going to build a base on the eye for these to stick better. Pigment. So we're going to start off with this. This is beautiful. It's called shade 7B. It's a matte. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's wet this brush to make my job easier. Let's see what I can do with this. Let's bring in the black, shall we? The NYX base I've used for pigments previously. Glitter, glitter everywhere. That's nice. Now, Tourmaline, I'm really stressed out. You guys. We'll see how this goes. Alright, I guess this is as good as it's gonna get. Oh man. Yeah, there's glitter all over. This is going to be a nasty one to get rid of. Now, let me go back with the blue. am I going to do next? I think this is too straight. I'm going to clean it up, you know, upwards. Let's try and do that, and then we'll finish off with liner and to see in lashes to see if I can hide a little bit of the mess I made. But I enjoy playing with this. This blue is gorgeous, definitely. It's looking a little better, more lifted anyway. So people, glitter glue. Glitter glue is a good idea with this one. I'm going to wait till I do my base first, the rest of my makeup, and then I'll do the lower lash line. Yeah, I'm not too mad at it. It's just the first attempt at loose glitter, cut crease, and yes, that's it. Let me see if I get that fairy dust effect that I love with this eyeshadow. I love this. Hey, progress! Can you see? It's right here. It's been flying. Progress. On my Bobbi Brown foundation. I like that it's actually showing, the progress is showing. I haven't been rotating my products because I'm enjoying penning these, and I better work on them while I'm enjoying it. Because sometimes the bad thing about formal projects is that you get sick of what you're using, and then you don't want to use it anymore, but you still want to finish it, and what you're gonna do, right? But force yourself to use it or just throw it off away. But you know what I mean? Yeah, sometimes when you're forcing yourself to use something, it becomes a chore, it becomes tedious and extremely unpleasant. So you may as well use your products while you enjoy using them, and then rotate them. Brows next. This is going to be the perfect timing to be washing my brushes to get rid of all this freaking glitter. I'm going to have glitter on all my makeup items. Bronzer, blush, everything. This is matte, but it's no longer going to be. I'm talking about the bronzer now. Now. Still working on the same highlighter. Caught everything. Nothing fell. Lower lash. Kind of like it, but you know me. I kind of like everything. I'm going to do something naughty. Something really naughty. This one right here. This is called Alarming and belongs to that Little Bit Psycho palette from BH Cosmetics. I've talked about this previously when I did, I think it was my Valentine's look. Valentine's Day look, whatever. I think we're missing lipstick and also lashes and liner. Let's not be babies about it and let's just do it. It's a brush tip applicator. It's a really nice liner, actually. This one from Essence. It's the same I've been using in all my videos. We are going to have to trim these a bit. I don't know if you can see the magnets here. I just cut really close to the second to last magnet. So I can still have a magnet on each end of the lash. And then you can always use the magnet that's left over. You can use it to make more volume on your outer corner. You can use them as anchors, you know. You can use everything any way you like. To those of you who don't know Glamnetic, this is a brush tip, very fine. Now I'm gonna get glitter all over my liner, but it's fine. Oh, I guess I forgot something very important. Give it a good shake. There you go. I'm just gonna line my other eye and go back to the first one. It's best to try not to get it all over your lashes, your natural lashes, because this thing is really a pain in the butt to take off at the end of the day. The style name? VIP. If you feel VIP when you do a weird smoky look like this with, you know, glitter all over, just grab this style and it'll be perfect. Ooh. Yes. I love when lashes pull everything together. The glitter, it's not very well blended. It's all over the eyes, but it's a cute look if you can actually achieve it, which is not what happened here. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this look, man. Not that I'm going to do it again, probably not. Well, look, I think this eyeshadow look actually matches my sweater. This is it for today, folks. Ladies and gentlemen watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you liked it, consider giving a boop to that like button. Yeah, this is all for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye.